think this would be pretty awesome. So do I. This is my mom. How do you do, Mrs. Wilson? At the moment, well, can you
Is that in that part,
Lucas,
right?
we can send this to Uncle Joey. Say hi to Uncle Joey.
Say hello.
Say Joey.
Joey. Joey.
No, that's not. That's Baby, not Joey.
That may make some sense later on.
He's looking at Baby.
Sure, I go anywhere. Good. Suppose you could take Johnny into town.
Yeah, what are you going to say? Huh?
Look at these cute little songs.
Of these thieves.
Of course, there's a man. I think Johnny would enjoy that more than the movie anyway.
He's looking at Grandpa now.
Well, let's hope so. Right now.
There, see how big that belly
Say
is?
bye, Uncle Joey. I'll see you for Christmas.
See you
Bye, Uncle Joey.
I see you Thanksgiving. I might be the turkey. Look at that thing, Maggie.